Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Messenger offers an end-to-end encrypted chats for added privacy with auto-sync feature. You can safely back up and restore your encrypted chat history across Apple devices and Android. Firstly, you must be signed into your Google or iCloud account. Now launch the Messenger app on your device. Then tap the menu icon or your profile picture in the bottom right or top right corner of the app. From the menu, tap Settings to open your account and privacy controls. Scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. Under Privacy and Safety, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats to manage your encryption options. Next, tap Message Storage, then scroll down to the section labeled How you sync your chat history. Tap More Options, then toggle the switch next to Auto-Sync to turn it on. This will automatically back up your encrypted chat history to iCloud and Google, allowing you to restore it seamlessly. If you prefer not to share or store your encrypted chats, just toggle it off the auto-sync again, and keep in mind that turning it off restore means your chat history won't be restored automatically on other devices signed into your account. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.